So we got a ambulance at the neighbor's. Interesting. Or he's turning around. Because that's the county line right there. I don't know, we'll find out. Fat Cosmo, what's up, homie? What's up, buddy? How you doing, friend? Oh, good boy. You're a good dog. I'm not as stink as you high I am. Hi, Ma. And there's Nebby going to check out what's going on. What the hell's going on out here? Where'd that cat go? I saw a cat earlier. Here's the two neighbor dogs. There's a cat. Doinky doink. Oh shit, I'm overflowing. Alright, yeah.